Begin the dough preparation by pouring 400 milliliters of warm water into a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 25 grams of fresh yeast or 7-8 grams of dry yeast. After adding fresh yeast, whisk it with a wire whisk. Then add 600 grams of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything together. Pour about 20 to 30 milliliters of oil. Continue kneading until the oil is fully incorporated into the dough. Once the dough reaches this consistency, transfer it to a work surface. Sprinkle the work surface with 1 or 2 pinches of flour. Take out the dough and continue kneading. Sprinkle more flour as needed to prevent sticking. For this dough, use between 630 and 650 grams of all-purpose flour. Shape the dough into a ball and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, while preparing other ingredients and necessary equipment. Soften 200 grams of butter. Leaf the dough, dust with flour, then roll it out with a rolling pin. Stretch the dough into a strip about 70 to 80 centimeters long in 30-40 centimeters wide, then spread softened butter over it. After buttering, divide into several parts. Transfer to a board covered with plastic wrap. Fold the plastic wrap to prevent drying and refrigerate for 30-40 minutes. Chill the dough to firm up the batter. Remove onto a floured work surface. Dust with more flour, then roll out again. Fold the rolled out dough once more. Shape neatly from all sides and wrap in plastic again. After wrapping, refrigerate for another 10 minutes. Place the dough on the work surface in front of you. Press lightly with hands, then roll out. First widen slightly, then stretch lengthwise. While rolling, always turn the dough to ensure even thickness throughout. After rolling, trim the edges thinly. Save the scraps to combine and bake later. Cut the remaining dough into croissants, choosing your preferred size. Here we're making large ones. These croissants can be sweet or savory. This batch will be savory. Preheat the oven to 40 degrees Celsius. Arrange croissants on a lined baking sheet, then brush with water. After brushing, bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, croissants look like this. Let them rest while heating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, brush croissants with egg yolk, mixed with 1 tablespoon of milk. When ready, bake in the preheated oven. Bake croissants for 25 minutes until golden brown.